Take a deep breath in and slowly release it. If you are listening to this, there is someone on your mind, someone whose silence feels loud, someone whose absence makes you wonder if you were the only one who felt something real. But right now, something begins to shift because the energy between two people who share something genuine never disappears. It simply waits until the moment when one heart can no longer ignore it. And in this meditation, we are dissolving the resistance. We are softening the ego. We are allowing the truth of connection to rise until they feel compelled to reach out to you. So relax your shoulders, breathe slowly, and allow these words to guide the energy back into alignment. And if you are ready to claim this energy, type in the comments right now, "They can't ignore our connection anymore." Now close your eyes and take a slow breath in. Hold it gently and release. Feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. The more relaxed you become, the more powerful your energy becomes. Because manifestation doesn't happen through force, it happens through alignment. Right now, you are stepping out of the energy of waiting and into the energy of being chosen. Now repeat these affirmations slowly in your mind or whisper them softly and let them sink into your subconscious. Their ego softens every time they think of me. They cannot stop remembering the connection we shared. My energy stays on their mind. They feel the pull to reach out to me. Silence between us becomes uncomfortable for them. They begin to realize what they lost. Their pride fades. Their heart speaks louder than their ego. They feel drawn back to me naturally. They think about messaging me. They imagine hearing my voice again. They replay our memories in their mind. And with every memory, their desire to reconnect grows stronger. They know I was never just anyone. I was meaningful. I was different. I was real. And now they feel the absence of my presence. Their heart urges them to reach out. They begin wondering what I'm doing. They wonder if I've moved on. They feel the urge to check on me. And soon, the silence between us breaks because the connection between us is stronger than ego, stronger than pride, stronger than fear. They reach out to me naturally, effortlessly, soon. Now imagine this moment. Your phone lights up. You see their name. Your heart feels calm. Not surprised, because deep down, you knew this moment was coming. They couldn't ignore the connection forever. And now, you are no longer the one wondering. You are no longer the one feeling. They feel it too. They feel the pull. They feel the longing. They feel the truth of what you shared. And as you breathe in, you realize something powerful. You were never the only one. Their silence was never the absence of feeling. It was only the resistance of ego. And now, that resistance is dissolving. Their heart is opening. And the path back to you becomes clearer every day. Now take another slow breath. Feel the peace of knowing. The energy has shifted. Now repeat gently, "They reach out to me." Our connection draws us back together. Their ego fades. Their heart leads them to me. The silence between us ends. They feel the truth of what we shared, and they reach out. Soon, very soon. If you are claiming this energy, type in the comments, "They are reaching out to me now." When you speak it, you strengthen it. And if you want to manifest them reaching out even faster, I've created powerful manifestation tools and guidance for you. Visit joybyjanell.com, where you can access deeper manifestation techniques designed to help align your energy with the relationship you desire.